Hey guys, welcome back to Objective Reviews. Today we are going to be taking a look at our first Android app called Android Auto. So let's take a look. So Google recently announced that they are bringing Android Auto to some supported phones so as to bring Android Auto to cars that do not support Android Auto. What you can essentially do is, if you have one of the supported devices that is listed on Google's website, you can download the Android Auto app and install it on your Android phone, and then use your Android phone as you would use a display that is in your car above your music system for navigation, receiving texts and viewing them, receiving phone calls, and now I heard that even Facebook Messenger is supported. So that's pretty cool. Now, to get started with using Android Auto on your Android phone, well, I've included a link down in the description and up here as a card, and you can click it. It's for this Android website that securely serves APKs. I'm not really sure how that works, but well, 2.0 is available there, so go ahead and download it on your device. Now, the setup process is a little bit long because Android Auto seems to download a lot of map information for your local region wherever you are, so that takes a bit of time to set up, even on a fast connection that I have. So you have to be very patient with this entire process. But once you do get it set up, well, it's going to turn your phone into a sort of HUD display, and well, you can get started with using it in your car. So my brother and I were hungry and we decided to grab some pizza. So well, that was a good way to test out how this works in the car. So let's take a look at some of the footage. Well, the good thing is you can say OK Google or tap on the speaker button and ask for directions to a particular place. Now that worked out well. Now it suggested us some pizzerias nearby, and well, tapping on one, well, it is going to start navigation to it. It's going to first ask you to confirm it, but if you don't confirm anything, it's just going to start right away with the navigation. Now once that is done, all you have to do is simply follow the on-screen directions, but keep your eye on the road. Don't fall into any lakes. So overall, the entire process of actually using it in the car was very streamlined. I wish we would be able to play some music while we were at it, but that did not work out well for us, and well, we had to go through the entire car ride without any music. So what you're listening to right now is not the in-car music, but just the music from this video. So So Android Auto, well, it uses Google Maps, so it obviously found a very good path for us to take with the lowest traffic. And while we waited, we had some chat about how the pros and cons about this system. And once our pizza arrived, well, we set our destination back to the studio. Now, this time what I wanted to check is we would take a path that we knew was the shortest, and Google was suggesting a alternate route, and we wanted to see how well it auto-routed us back to where we were supposed to go. And well, sorry to tell you this, well, it's not very great at it. But if you don't know the path, well, go with the suggested one. But if you do know it and you decided to go off path or off track and use your memory to take a route that you know is the fastest, well, it's just going to keep rerouting you back to the original path and not to from where you are to your destination. So that was a bit disappointing to see. Nonetheless, once we were back, well, to quit this Android Auto mode, all you have to do is swipe down from the notification center and you have to exit the Android Auto mode and you'll have your phone back. So yeah, overall, this is a very good idea that Google did, because unfortunately my car is like 10 years old now and it doesn't support CarPlay by Apple or Android Auto by Google. So being able to use one of those two was very helpful, and I can see myself using this a lot. So to get started, like I already mentioned in the video, the link to download the APK is down in the description. So go ahead, download it, try it out, come back here and let me know down in the comments what you think about it. Well, if you like this review, hit the like button. If you disliked it, you know what to do. And if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Cheers.